Hi, Scott. Yeah, I think it's really an exciting time for the AI industry. Admittedly, the OpenAI exhibition was very, very impressive. That being said, as an Alphabet shareholder, we think there's plenty of room for the AI industry to have multiple players. I think where Alphabet has an edge, though, however, is really the ecosystem, which Deidre referred to. The search business, the Android platform, the cloud business. There's really a lot of levers that Alphabet can pursue by entrenching the Gemini product into all of these businesses. So from that perspective, impressive OpenAI exhibition, but I think there's going to be a lot of great updates for us to hear tomorrow.
Do you feel like, though, this is yet another example of setting a fire, so to speak, underneath Alphabet in terms of innovation? This is just a reminder that they need to keep innovating to keep up with the likes of OpenAI and others, for that matter.
That's exactly right. I mean, a couple of months ago, we talked about how Google was a show-me stock. Alphabet was a show-me stock at this point. And most recently, in their quarter, they showed a lot. They issued their first dividend, their $70 billion buyback, which honestly shows how confident they are about their future. But it does sort of, as you mentioned, sort of light the fire under their engineers and for constant innovation. But I think the company is really well positioned to do that.
What about Apple? What do you make of nice comeback that this stock has had? 187, we'll call it that. It's up more than 2% today.
Personally, I think it's a big deal for Apple. I mean, if we think about the sort of rumored, if you would, OpenAI and ChatGPT entrenchment into the iPhone, what it's going to do essentially is make the older iPhones probably become more obsolete faster, if that's the case, because a lot of these applications that are driven by AI are more processor intensive, which means that newer iPhones are only going to be able to take advantage of that. So if that's the case, we would expect the refresh cycle to be accelerated. So I think it's great for Apple, and I think that's the reason why the stock is doing so well today.